Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Odessa local and long distance movers near me. Look no further than 3 Movers when considering the best local movers to liaise with for your relocation. 3 Movers are competent. They have served residents in this city for several years and have efficiently tackled local relocation challenges, ensuring that their clients are not roped into the Herculean task of packing and getting their belongings ready for moving. 3 Movers is experienced in facilitating long-distance relocation. 3 Movers will help you document your belongings for moving, saving you the stress of going around to get it done. Their reliable network of partners across the USA ensures that your belongings are constantly being checked. They understand your fears of having in-transit damage, and in addition to their team looking after your belongings, their services are insurance covered. Unlike local moving billed per hour, those embarking on long-distance relocation will get an estimate covering the distance they decide to move and the number of belongings to be conveyed. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Odessa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.